Gavin's crawling. Come here. Gavin, he looks so strange. Here he comes. Here he comes. Why can't he come? Is he not supposed to come this way? Oh, the skeleton. Oh, where are you going, silly? Those are the dogs. Gavin, can you sing happy birthday? Let's sing happy birthday to Debbie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Debbie. Happy birthday to you. You just put the sunglasses in the picture. You're silly. Say happy birthday, Debbie. Say happy birthday, Debbie. Happy. There he goes. Gavin's getting up. Look, good boy, Gavin. Good boy. Good boy. Gavin got up all by himself. Now everybody's seen it. Now he's going to get in Grandma's purse. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Have you ever seen such a pretty mug? Have you ever seen such a cute mug? Oh, sorry, not a coffee mug. We all know what a mug is.